Hello and welcome. My name is Anna, and today we're going to spend 5 minutes practicing some everyday British English. This is a great way to get used to the accent and learn some common phrases you'll hear all the time if you visit the UK or speak with British people. We'll cover 3 common situations: ordering a coffee, asking for directions, and of course, the classic British small talk about the weather. I'll speak at a natural pace, so just relax and listen. Right, are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine you've just walked into a lovely little cafe. It's a bit busy, but you finally get to the front of the queue. The person behind the counter smiles and asks what you'd like. Here's what you might say. Morning, could I get a regular latte, please? And have you got any almond milk? Oh, brilliant. Yes, with almond milk, please. And could I also have a slice of that lemon drizzle cake? It looks lovely. Great. Will that be everything? Yes, that's all for me, thanks. How much is that? Right, there you go. Cheers. So, let's quickly break that down. Did you notice I said regular latte? In the UK, we often say regular for a medium-sized drink. I also asked, have you got any, which is a very common and polite way to ask if something is available. And finally, you might have heard brilliant and cheers. Brilliant is a popular word for great or excellent, and cheers is a very common informal way to say thank you. Easy, right?
Okay, next situation. You're in a city you don't know and you're a bit lost. You need to find the train station. You see someone who looks friendly and decide to ask for help. It might sound something like this. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I'm a bit lost. Could you tell me the way to the train station, please? Oh, right. So I go straight on, past the big post office. Okay. And then I take the second left onto High Street. And it's just down there on the right? Ah, brilliant. You can't miss it, you say? Perfect. Thanks ever so much for your help. Cheers. The key phrases there are sorry to bother you, which is a very polite way to start a conversation with a stranger. I'm a bit lost is simple and effective. For the directions themselves, listen for words like straight on, past the post office, take the second left, and on the right. And you'll often hear a helpful Brit say, you can't miss it, at the end. It means it's very easy to find. Finally, no British English practice would be complete without talking about the weather. It's our favourite way to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere. It can be sunny, raining, or cloudy. It doesn't matter. We'll have something to say about it. Here are a few examples of what you might hear while waiting for a bus or in a shop queue. Ooh, it's a bit chilly today, isn't it? Lovely day for it though. The sun is finally out. I can't believe this rain. Typical British weather, eh? They said on the forecast it was going to brighten up later, but I'm not so sure. I think I felt a drop just then. These are simple, neutral conversation starters. The little question at the end, like, isn't it, or is an invitation for the other person to agree and reply. And that's our 5 minutes up. We've covered ordering in a cafe, asking for directions, and making small talk about the weather. We used phrases like, could I get brilliant, cheers, sorry to bother you, and a bit chilly, isn't it? I hope you found that useful. The key is to listen multiple times to get your ear tuned in. Thank you so much for joining me today. Practice well, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!